Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the critical numbers and critical points of a function. Let's begin. In example 4, we would like to find the critical numbers and critical points of the function r of p. To find the domain, we need to look at the denominators of the exponents. Both of the denominators are odd, so the domain of r of p is going to be all real numbers. If one or both of the denominators were even, then the domain would have been the half-open interval 0 to infinity. Now to find the critical numbers. Applying the power rule, the derivative will look like this. Now what I'm going to do is bring the p raised to the negative 1/19th power to the denominator and move the p raised to the 18/19th power to the numerator. That will look like this. Now I'm going to set the derivative equal to 0. To solve for p, I'm going to start by bringing the second term to the left side of the equal sign. That will look like this. Now what we can do is cross multiply. And recall that when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So we'll have something that looks like this. Since there's a factor of 19 on each side of the equal sign, we can cancel them out. And what we're left with is 37p is equal to 36. This means that p is equal to 36/37. Since 36/37 is in the domain of r, we can say that 36/37 is a critical number. Now to see if there's any values of p where the derivative is undefined. Going back to the derivative, there's a p raised to the 1/19th power in the denominator. This means that p cannot equal 0. Since the derivative at p is equal to 0 is undefined, and 0 is in the domain of r, p is equal to 0 is a critical number. So we have two critical numbers, one at p is equal to 36/37 and another at 0. Now to find the critical points. Since there are two critical numbers, there are going to be two critical points. There's going to be one critical point at 0, r of 0, and there's going to be another one at 36/37, r of 36/37. So the critical point for p is equal to 0 is going to be 0, 0. For the second coordinate, I'm going to evaluate the function from when p is equal to 36/37. So we have r of 36/37 is equal to 2 times 36/37 raised to the 18/19th power minus 36/37 to the 37/19th power. And there really is no good way to simplify that, so what I'm going to do is just approximate that expression using Decimus. And when you do, you'll get approximately 1.0007. So the second critical point is 36/37, 1.0007. And we are done.